So guys, welcome back. A quick analysis on our USD JPY. So we will be analyzing our USD JPY for today. Let's see where our price will be moving. But before you go, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I need you to just subscribe. It won't take you anything. Just click on the subscribe button, like. So now we can see on our USD JPY. If you have to watch my weekly analysis video on my USD, you see pound USD, you see euro USD. I predicted that our USD on our USD will actually be going bullish against our JPY, and you can see we are having it. Yesterday we added a bullish move. Today we are even our price has even opened and it's actually going to a bullish move here before we might actually see a drop or possibly a breakout and continuous move up. But I also said that we should actually take our buy position and place our profits around this my area that I've just marked, this area that I just highlighted. I also said we should take our profits and close our profits, take our profits around this area here. So for today we can see that our price has actually begun bullish and we've moved about 63 pips, and by the way we can see we are still seeing a bullish move, a continuous bullish move upward on our daily time frame. That is exactly what our price is actually showing us. If you have to go on our 4-hour time frame, see bullish move, we can see it with bullish move on an uptrend. We saw the retracement, right? We saw this bullish move. If you have to want to take your trade, I would say probably wait for a retracement. So at least 20 pips. I think this is about 32 pips. So if you can actually get this retracement for about 32 pips, then I would say it would be a good time to actually take your buy. And if you want to take your buy position straight upward, you want to close there, I would advise take your profits up this area here and set your stop loss probably below this area here or below this area here. You can do it like ratio 2 to 1. It depends on how you want to do it. So anyhow you want to take your trade is up to you. I will not be telling you how to take your trade, but I'm just giving a suggestion. So on our 4-hour time frame, we can see we are actually going bullish, by the way, and above all our aim is to take our profits here, see bullish, and our 1-hour time frame to see bullish move massively. We are waiting for a retracement, then we'll continue bullish on our USDJPY. By the way, I want you to know that we are our Asian market as I already opened now. So yen market is opened now, which is actually trading so against our USDJPY. That's why we are seeing much movement on our USDJPY compared to Euro USD or Pound USD, which are having low movements because their market has not yet opened. And another one thing I wanted to know is that our markets for today, we might not see, there's no major news that can move our market for today. As you can see, we are about 2 p.m. The next news that wants to be coming out is about New Zealand dollar, so we are not concerned. What we are concerned is our JPY. You can see no low impact news on our forex market. You can see consumer confidence, we can see housing housing starts year to year. You can see the prediction previous, we can see this is the prediction here, we can see the previous percentage, we can see the prediction here. We can also see another I think this is the only JPY that news that we are expected to get by 6 a.m. So no major news that can actually move our price for today. That is why I said let's actually take it bullish for today, close our profits here. Let me see if we have to take our buy now, at least 95 pips, which is actually not bad, by the way, to grab for today. So that is my analysis for this today. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.